When analyzing the economy, investors look at two types of data. Let's look at the difference between leading and lagging indicators. To understand the market cycle, we have to distinguish between signals that predict future moves and those that confirm what already happened. Leading indicators are the crystal ball, while lagging indicators are the history book. Both are essential for building a complete picture. This chart shows the sequence. Leading indicators move first, followed by the broader economy, and finally, lagging indicators catch up to the reality. Leading indicators help you prepare for what might come next, though they are often prone to false signals. Lagging indicators are slower but more reliable because they are based on actual, realized data rather than predictions. For instance, GDP is a classic lagging indicator. It tells us how we did, but it tells us nothing about next month. The best investors don't rely only on one. They use leading indicators for outlooks and lagging indicators for reality checks. Understanding these tools helps you make sense of economic news. Hit subscribe for more money basics, educational content, not financial advice.